Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin with a powered Jabra and an Android that has Bluetooth enabled. This reduces interruptions. First, charge the Elite 85T above 20% so they won't drop during setup. Next, open Settings on your Android and go to Connected Devices, then pair new device so the phone is actively scanning. Now take both earbuds out and press and hold the left and right buttons together until the LED flashes blue. This forces the earbuds into Bluetooth pairing mode immediately. Once the earbuds are in pairing mode, watch your Android's available devices list for Jabra Elite 85T. Tap the device name to initiate connection. If Android prompts you to confirm pairing or enter a PIN, accept or enter 0000 as needed. After it connects, make sure media and call audio toggles are enabled for the device so sound and microphone work. You should hear a confirmation tone in the earbuds. If you don't, reopen the Bluetooth menu and select the device again to finalize the link. Finish by installing the Jabra Sound Plus app to update firmware and personalize ANC and equalizer settings because software updates ensure stable connections. Test both media playback and the microphone with a quick call or voice memo so you confirm functionality. If something goes wrong, try forgetting the device on Android and rebooting your phone. Make sure to reset the earbuds by holding both buttons for about 10 seconds to clear Bluetooth memory. Once done, pair again and the connection should be restored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.